Day, ma'am, sir. I'm Melody Partido. I'm 29 years old. I'm high school graduate. I'm a live-in partner and I'm blessed one kids. I'm I'm a Crusaders of the Divine Church of Christ. We are four siblings in the family, and I'm younger in the family. I work as a domestic helper in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia. Last 2019 to 2021, 2 years contract to one employer. I am serving 8 members in the family, ages 45 years old, 42 years old, 12 years old, 8 years old, 6 years old, 4 years old, 2 years old, and a newborn baby. I do chores, I'm cooking, cleaning all house up and down, washing the clothes and ironing the clothes, car wash, marketing, and take care all baby. I'm honest, trustworking, and hardworking. Mom, sir, if you choose me, a helper, I promise to do all your rules and regulations and take care all baby as my own child. Thank you, mom and sir. God bless.